Hello everyone. My name is Omar, the CEO of 7it, which is an edtech company, a school that bridges the gap, technological gap for underserved community, especially Africans who want to get into tech. We offer career path for them to get into tech industry. We do this through three main ways. First is coding classes where we help young people, especially those who are between the age of 6 to 17 years, to get into tech through coding, preparing them for future career intake. Number two is data analytics, which is a program, a 5-month program, supporting people who want either change career. I use a tech or analytics to complement what they're doing, or they're looking for opportunities in tech. The third one and the final one is data science, which basically deals with AI and machine learning. We support these students into introducing them into the world of AI. This is a more advanced level of data analytics. So there are people either who are already in mainstream of tech, who have done the first part of the training with data analytics, and they want to proceed to being either data analyst or data engineer or data scientist. So they come to do this kind of training. So the question is, why now? Why get into this kind of training that is data science, data analytics? For anyone above 18 years old, anyone who has gone through secondary education or high school, and they want to start a new career in tech. For anyone who has already been in kind of space or domain, and they want to enhance their skill. For anyone who is looking for promotion, and so what stops between them, or what stops them from being promoted? It's because of the skill. For anyone who want to be competitive, who want to have competitive advantage over the rest of the team. For anyone who want fulfill a mission of learning a new skill, especially in the year 2025. This is the kind of training you need. And so I want everyone listening to this message to go to www.7it.net, and you can be able to get more information on our training. So the question is, why would you want to join, or why would anyone want to join our training? Our training is expert-led training. We have personalized guidance. We have practical example. We use real-world data sets. And of course, we have support that we give our students in the class and outside the class. It's a more flexible kind of training. It's done virtually. And so you are able to focus on the skills that you need, technical skills. We also offer soft skill, that is skill that you need after you're done with the training, especially when it comes to job market. We help our students to network. We have a community. We support them in building their portfolio, so that they can showcase whenever they go out there and they are doing job interviews, and they could be asked, for example, to showcase what they have done, a project that they undertook and the result and how they're able to communicate. And this is what data analytics is all about. It's about looking for data, analyzing the data, getting the insight, communicating the insight for decision making. For in a life of a data analyst, those are the things that you're going to do. So the topics we cover include, as shown on the screen. So for data analytics, we do introduction. Introduction to data analytics, what it is, the concept that you need to know. And then we go to statistical analysis. Then we go to the tools that you're going to use as an analyst. That include Excel, which is a tool that is many people are familiar with, but not in terms of analysis. So you want to use Excel to do analysis, then you're going to learn that. The next one is Power BI. Power BI is another tool, business intelligence and visualization tool that supports you as the analyst in your daily duty and work as a data analyst. The third tool is Tableau, which is also another visualization tool. And the next one is SQL. So that's what we learn. This happens within the first 4 months of the 5 months of training. The last month, we do internship, virtual internship, where we expose you to the real world data that you're using. That's out there. So assuming like you just do work like you were employed by a certain organization, and this is the kind of what you're going to do. So you put yourself in that situation, working with the real data set that we have, and we help you to practice what we learned in class. Our training our next training starts on February 10th. Classes will be 4 days a week, Monday through Thursday, 2 hours a day, and the classes are mostly evening, which is the ideal time for people who are working, and so they're available in the evening to be able to have these classes. For data science, AI, and machine learning, the intake is sooner than analytics because it starts on Feb 4th. And in this training, it takes 3 months. The timing are the same, evening, 4 days a week, 2 hours a day. And we do, first thing is to understand, introducing you to AI and machine learning. So you need what is AI, what is machine learning? Then what's the real application? Application of AI and machine learning. The next one will be essentials of machine learning algorithms. And then you go to deep learning, natural language processing, and of course, Gen AI. Those are the concepts that are commonly used nowadays, especially when it comes to AI. So if you learn them, you learn how to use them. AI has a lot of challenges that comes with using it. So you need to understand the take consideration when either building, deploying, or using AI. The last part is hands-on projects. So in this, you learn carry out a project using AI and the tools that you're learning to be able to come up with a product and solve a problem. So those are some of the things that we cover and many more. We offer, good kind of support to students, especially when it comes to a point that, they need our support outside the class. We introduce them to practical example, like I just said. We help them prepare for career services or job search. We conduct classes every day. An instructor must be in class. We encourage them to work in groups. We want them to add value. I tell my students every day is that we're here for you. Even if you did something last year and then somehow you need a refresher, you can always come back. You need to, we always have a class group that you can always contact your teacher during class or outside the class, because our intention is to pass this knowledge to the students. We want them to get this skill. We want our students to be able to practice what they have learned, use them to make the world better place than now, using the skill that they have learned. So we, after the training, we offer a certificate of completion. But we also recommend about 9 certifications that you don't have to do them. But if, for example, your mission is to work for a specific organization, then, for example, we could do Google Analytics certifications or Microsoft, depending on what you want or which company you're targeting to work for. So we recommend that you do those kind of certifications, and they're very key. And so I believe that if you have a student, a child, a brother, a sister who just finished high school, especially in Kenya, if you had a resolution that you want to do something to advance your skill this year, if you've been thinking of getting to tech, but you're not be sure when, if you're somebody who has been trying to analyze data and you don't know how to do it, this is the time. I would urge you strongly and urge you that visit our website. We got our number there. Let's walk this journey together. We promise to be with you. We promise to walk with you the journey. As we breathe the tech cup, I ask everyone to join us. Ask for more information. We'll be more than happy to support you in this journey. For now, thank you and hope to see you in class very soon. Bye.